Hi, and welcome back to my Deaf Life channel where I show you online security video tutorials. Today we are going to talk about two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA or multi-factor authentication. And we'll talk about Authy, the app that supports two-factor authentication. So what is two-factor authentication? It is a second layer of security on your online accounts, which in many of our online accounts, we have our personal information. In the first steps of opening our online account, we input a username and a password, and this is on a majority of online accounts. And after we do that, our account is open. But what if someone has your account's username and the password? They could easily open your account. But with two-factor authentication, you would have a token or a set of numbers that you would use as a two-step verification process to open your account. So here's how it works. Two-factor is three things. It's either something you have, something you are, or something you know. And something you have here is a token or a set of numbers, and that's what Authy is going to generate for you, a random set of numbers to verify you are who you say you are, because only you would have access to that token via your Authy app. And to set up Authy, you do need a phone number, but to use Authy, you don't have to have your phone with you all the time. You can download the app onto your laptop or your desktop, and as long as you have access to your app, when you open your account, you will be given a token or a number. So let me show you how Authy works. But stay with me to the end because there are many benefits to the app. Let's get started. If you have an Android phone, you're going to go into the Google Play Store. If you have iPhone, you go into the Apple Store. Be sure to open and install the correct app. Look carefully at the icon there because there are some apps that hold viruses and they're not the true app. So you're going to open the app and there you type in your phone number. So I have my Authy app downloaded and I'm on the website authy.com because I want to take a look and see what websites or apps support Authy. You can go into the search toolbar or you can find your app, the account that you want here. I'm going to use my Pinterest account to do this demonstration. Here I'm launching my Pinterest account through LastPass, and it's opening up it for me. I am going to go to the 3-bar there and open up settings. In settings, I'm going to go to security. In security, I'm going to enable two-factor authentication, and I'm going to click on require code at login, and then it's going to ask me for my password. For me, I just need to click on my LastPass icon there, the 3 circles. I'll click next, and then I need to type in my phone number of where I want my security code to be sent, and here's notification of my security code, and there's my security code or token, and I will type that into my Pinterest app in order to finish the setup of my two-factor authentication. After you press verify, Authy is going to send you a backup code, and this code will be used in case you cannot receive a security code. You can use this backup code to get into your account. It is very important that you save this code somewhere secure, somewhere someone else cannot get access to this code. I'm saving it into my LastPass. Click Save Settings, and now you are done. This is what your app is going to look like. You will have 30 seconds each time to enter in your token. If you run out of time to enter your token, Authy will generate you a new one. Now, what if you wanted to set up two-factor on Facebook? You go to Facebook, Settings, Security, and Login. For Gmail, you can go to Gmail, My Account, Sign In, Security. You should consider setting up two-factor authentication on your online accounts that contain sensitive information, personally identifiable information, such as accounts that are your social media or contain your healthcare records, credit cards, and accounts with your bank details. We've highlighted some important benefits of Authy, so let's review some of the benefits. Authy stores several accounts. It's a second layer of security. It syncs across multiple devices, and it provides you with a backup code in case you lose your phone or forget your device. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And in the comment section, let me know if there's any tutorials that you would like for me to do. Thank you for watching.